watcher and subscribers. Here now we are in the next tutorial of machine learning, and here we will see the concept of mean, median and mode. So this is the simplest tutorial of machine learning which is based on mathematics. So now we will see mean, median and the mode. What can we learn from looking at a group of numbers? In machine learning, there are often three values that we are interested in: the mean, median and the mode. So mean means average value, median middle value, mode means the most common value. We will see one by one with examples. Suppose in the mean we have the list of values. To calculate the mean, you have to do sum of all values and divide the sum by the number of values. So you have to do sum of all values and divide by 13 because we have total 13 values. So the answer will be 89.77. And for doing this in the numpy we have already the module. This numpy module has a method for this. Means first we use the numpy module in the program and we add the method that is available under the numpy. Got it? And by using numpy library we can easily do it. Next one is a median. So the median is nothing but the middle value. Suppose we have the list of values, so 87 is the middle value, so your median will be 87. And again we have the numpy, and the numpy module has a method for this. Then in the second case of the median, suppose we have two value in the middle like 86 and 87, these are the middle value. Then we will do the addition of 86 and 87 and we divide by 2. Our answer will be 86.5. So again the numpy module has a method for doing this. Next case is the mode value. So mode value is the value that appear the most number of times. Suppose we have this list of values, so 86 value is repeated more time than other values, so your answer will be 86. Got it? And for doing this we use the scipy module because it has a ready-made method for calculating the mode. So now here in the machine learning tutorial we will go in the Python editor, and there we will see how we can do the study of this numerical value on the basis of median, mode and mean. So now we will go in the practical session. So dear student, here I am in a Python ideally, and straight away you have to import first numpy library. So here I have imported numpy, and then I will write here from. So now here I have added scipy and the module is stats. It is helpful for statistical operation, and here we will use both the module for our target tasks like mean, median and the mode. So first we have to add here list of values. So my data is here. First I will add here all the values that we have seen in the presentation. So dear student, we have these set of values and now we will perform the operation over that value. So first we will calculate here mean. So mean equal to numpy alias you have to write because that mean method is available in the numpy module. So you have to write here n dot mean, and we will operate this operation on the available list of data, that is the data variable, and then I will calculate here median. So median equal to, again you have to write the same thing, n dot median. So n dot median, and again we are applying the same list of information, and then we have to calculate mode. For that I will take the help of stats. So again we are applying here the stats method over the same list of values, and finally here we will get mean, median and mode. So we need here output statement. So here we will get the value of the mean, then we also need it for the getting other result. So our next target is is median. So we will show mean, median and the mode, all these three values that we want. So finally our code is ready. We will check the output. So here actually by mistake I have written wrong spelling. So I have to write here from. Now I check it out. So you see here we got the mean, median and the mode value. So mode value is here. It is coming up 86. So here we can take the help of NumPy and SkyPy for getting the result of mean, median and mode. So this is one of the easiest tasks in the Python, and we can easily get the answer without doing manual calculation. So that is what the example of machine learning, and it will be eligible on any information. Whatever the values we will put there, we will get the answer. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.